Well, guys, it's time again to see the tire doctor. So we're getting a deal on some used tires here at Ramon's Tires here. And they're located in Fontana. Really nice, quick place, not too busy. And they're right on Beech Ave. Again, it's Ramon's Tires here. I'll try to put the address in the comments and stuff. So he's hooking us up big time, big time. So we're buying 3 tires here. These are the 3 tires used that we're getting. We got a Cooper tire here, 22 and a half, you know, 295, 75. Then the General, same. And then we have a Goodyear right here. So they are good tires inside the wear. So getting a good deal. So you come and see Ramon's Tires here in Fontana, and I'll put the address and phone number so you call them. And really good, quick service too. He's not super busy right now, so it works out great. And come see him. Get yourself a good deal too. He'll take care of you. He's taking care of me. So guys, remember, can't play around with tires. You know, you get stopped. You know, so you got to do the right thing. If you need the valve change the valve too once it's dismantled. This way, it stops any issue. So that's how we roll. What's the address? 9798 Beech Avenue in Fontana, right? Right off of Valley Road, right?
Yes, sir.
Valley Road, and I think also Fontana Ave, when it runs in an angle there. So we got plenty of tires, you know, and you can't go wrong, you know. Oh no, don't go to the big tire truck stops, you know. You're going to get ripped off, overpay, take long, all that stuff. So look out for Mr. Ramon here. All right. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe. There we go. Look at him. It's a one-man show. He does it all. And the prices are fantastic, guys. So I'll let you talk to him on your specific tire and stuff. But I'm telling you, he treated us really right. You know, so that's how you got to do it. And come on back. You know, very good. Guys, have a safe one. Have a D.O.T. free day. And if you need tires, you know where to go. And look at that. In 2 moves, he's got the tire off. 2 moves. Yeah, that was that piece that, oh my God. That was the piece that, I gotta get a picture of it if I can.
Take it for, where is it, what,
right.
Damn, look at it.
Yeah, I know, wow. Man, it chewed it up, man. Look at that. That piece went right through the tire. You know? Remember, no road hazard warranty on tires, you know?
No, there's too much scrap in the road.
Yeah, definitely.
People, they don't tie real good. And those, and then many scrap and spreaders.
Look at that, guys. You guys need to learn, man. You guys that work for tire shops, look at that. 2 moves and it's off. If you don't know, now you know, driver. This one we were using, it was a previous steer tire, but if you can see, I'll show you in a second here. They have a little bit of metal showing on the side. So we don't want Mr. D.O.T. talking to us about this tire. So Raymond recommended we change this one. So, you know, you got to take the experienced guy's advice, you know. We got to reach a little further in the pocket, but we moved the moths. We reached the dollar bills, the Benjamins. Two moves, man, like butter. He did it 3 times. Yeah, take a look at the truck again, man. Go. Sit. You know, good. I would say maybe change them. What do you think?
Yeah, we need to replace it.
Yeah, those two, because that one I think was new when I got it. I think.
These two, they're bad.
Yeah.
Especially that one.
Yep. No, change those two. And what we're changing, and we're going to change the valves, so we don't have a problem. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yeah,
definitely that'll cause a leak. And
yeah.
Guys get cheap with it. They want to save, you know. That's where you don't. So you see, guys, we're going to change the valves on these 2 rims here, and we'll zoom on it so you can see the rubber bushing. The rubber seal is falling apart on that one, and on this one here, not so bad. But what we're gonna do is we ain't gonna take a chance. You know, these rims are old. You could see all the rust on them. So let's not have a problem. You know. We're gonna use this one as the spare, so that should be good. And that's how we roll. Well, I'll let you know what it looks like when they're already back on there. So we'll let the man work in peace a little bit, you know. Give him a little breathing room, you know. Very good, very good. Again, these are our tires. Got 3 of them. And the one that's on here will be our spare. So it's good enough. It's good enough. And when I call a spare, we're going to have it mounted already on the rim. And the other day when I did have that blowout tire, we were able to get it done real quick, man. The guy took care of us. I think it was in 21 minutes. We got the tire changed, mounted from the belly back on, underneath, back, done and rolling in 21 minutes. Only charged $25, so you save a lot of money that way. Okay, so you know, some trucks don't have that mount on the trailer or in the back of the tractor, but it pays to have a full spare and rim aired up, so you're good to go, because you never know what happens, you know. Some guys break it off, but that's good. There you go. Awesome. All right, guys, let's let the man work. Talk to you guys later. Please like, share, and subscribe. Give me some comments. But once again, come see Ramon's Tires in Fontana. There's the sign there. It's got his phone number. Give him a holler. And he'll keep the light on for you. God bless.